Good day everyone, I am Rivas Janrod and today I will demonstrate how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Motor Vessel Rivas. MMSI 123456789. Call sign Delta Alpha Bravo Charlie. Position 14 degrees 30 minutes north, 120 degrees 15 minutes east. Fire in engine room. Fire in engine room. Fire not under control. I have 20 persons on board. I require immediate firefighting assistance and evacuation. We are abandoning ship. Over. Pan pan. Pan pan. Pan pan. All station. All station. All station. This is Motor Vessel Rivas. MMSI 123456789. Call sign Delta Alpha Bravo Charlie. Position 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 20 minutes east. Engine failure. Engine failure. Vessel drifting. I have 20 persons on board. I require assistance and tug assistance. No immediate danger to life. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Vessel Rivas. MMSI 123456789. Call sign Delta Alpha Charlie. Position 14 degrees 40 minutes north, 120 degrees 25 minutes east. Vessels are advised to navigate with cautions. Over. A floating container reported in fairway.